right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Thursday, October 11th, 2018. I want to show you a couple of highlights from what our 3S code high-low scanner has picked up and why it is one of my favorite indicators, my bread and butter indicator that I use on a daily basis. And when you combine the power and the simplicity of this pattern or this indicator with seasonality, it amplifies your chance of success and puts the odds in your favor. So right now we're looking at a daily chart of the E-mini S&P. Unless you've been in a cave, we had a huge sell-off, about 3.5–4% in the major indices yesterday. But look at what the 1, 2, 3 scanners picked up. Notice that we've been trying to put in a top over several months here, but haven't quite gotten the confirmed 1, 2, 3 top pattern that the 3S code scans for. But we did get that here at the end of September. What do we know going into October? That it is typically a spooky month for stocks and we can expect some volatility, which is something we haven't seen. Our view of the market has been that this thing is that it's been like a pressure cooker ready to explode, and that is exactly what we got. So knowing that we have those circumstances going into October combined with a high probability pattern gets us on high alert to take action. And using this simple free tool in your Thinkorswim platform, this is the 5-year price average of the S&P. Well, what do you know? It points downwards into the end of the month, into the mid to late month before we get the typical fall rally. So going back to the pattern here, we have a 1, a 2, and a 3. You can see where it flagged. That trade was good for 40 points. And what did it do? We had our retest that we like to see, a retest of that breakout level. So we pierced through, actually met target on the exact same day, but we got the retest back here at 29.10 and promptly zipped down to our target. So it's good for about 30 or 40 points. And the market continued to sell off. Anybody could have taken advantage of this market, whether you trade futures, equities, or options. Selling the S&P and risking 30 or 40 points entails a good bit of risk, but you could easily trade the SPY, buy puts on SPYs, or buy puts on S&P futures options. Several different ways, several different scenarios there, or sell call spreads. In fact, we also got a signal yesterday in crude oil. What do we know about crude oil at this time of the year? This is a 5-year price average. We typically head south. And what did we get here? Our scanner and indicator picked up a 1, 2, 3 top, similar to this top here back in July, where we came down and met target. And we have a similar pattern here with a high of 77, a swing low of 73. So we're looking for about a $4 move to the downside, which would take us to about 69.25. You can see our target right here is this red line, 69.25, and our members are short crude oil and USO. So again, that is just the power of keeping things simple, using a little bit of technical and seasonal analysis. Hope it helps. Good trading, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.